Do you think words find people funny? Let's listen to what the robin and the jay have to say. Word talk. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. What? Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wire and things. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wire and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Are not people funny to be that way? Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. New words are beetles, sitting, wires, funny. Reading is fun. Question 1. Name the two birds in the poem. The two birds are robin and jay. Question 2. What are the three things that people can't do? The people can't do are they can't fly, they can't sit on the wires, they can't get the feathers and wings. Question 3. What do birds think of the people? Birds think that people are very funny. Talk time. Question 1. Imagine what two elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about what people look like, what they eat, how they walk. You can say, look at the man's nose, see how small it is. Here, children can do their answer themselves, but I'm giving some clues how to do this. Elephant 1. Look at the man's nose, see how small it is. Elephant 2. Indeed it is. So, he looks so small. Elephant 1. Why would not he? He eats so little, only 10 chapatis and a few vegetables in a day. Elephant 2. Oh my God, how is he still alive if he eats so less? Elephant 1. On top of that, he has only 2 legs. Elephant 1. Yes, he is so unlucky. Look at us. We have got 4 legs to walk. Not only this, we also have a grand trunk. I'm so proud of myself. Question 2. Let's find 2 things which you can do and the words can't do. Here, children can discuss their own answers. I'm just giving the clues. Like, we can talk, but words can't talk. We can use computer, but words can't. So many things are there which we can do, but words can't. Team time. Activity. Let's make finger puppet. Draw your favorite bird on a sheet of a paper. Cut and color it. Then, take a strip of cloth or paper. Paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it. Tie the 2 ends of the strips. Fix it on your fingers. Your finger puppet is ready to talk now. Let your puppet fly along with your friend's puppet. Let's write. Listen to the sound of the birds. Make a list of these words. For example, chirp, chirp, chirp. The answers are chee, 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 cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Question 2. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. Nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. The birds fly high in the sky. The birds chirp when they fly. The birds came back to their nest after drinking water. The birds have wings to fly. Question 3. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one is done for you. Grow, know, throw. Day, bay, lay. Think, blink, link. Funny, money, honey. Eat, seat, meat. Sing, ring, king. Say aloud. All the children are requested, please repeat after me. Think, thin, 3. This, that, though. 10, top, tank. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.